Fix the Plow, Understanding English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, fix the plow. This might sound like a straightforward task, but in English, it can mean more than just repairing farm equipment. Let's explore how this phrase works in different contexts and what it can teach us about English idioms. In the most direct sense, to fix means to repair something that is broken or not working properly. A plow is a farming tool used to prepare the soil for planting. So, fix the plow literally means to repair the plow so that it can be used again for farming. English is full of idioms, where phrases take on a meaning beyond their literal words. While fix the plow isn't a common idiom, it could be used metaphorically. For example, it might mean to solve a fundamental problem before continuing with a task, just as a farmer must fix a broken plow before plowing a field. Idioms can be tricky for language learners because they don't always make sense when translated word for word. It's important to understand the context and the culture behind them. Phrases like, bite the bullet, or break the ice, have meanings unrelated to their literal interpretation. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, fix the plow, and how idiomatic expressions work in English. Remember, understanding the context is key to grasping these phrases. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.